Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Glad to see you here. Wanted to share with you my own trading experience just in 1 minute fast, and I made $9,500. Wanted to share with you how I'm trading on binary option platforms. I'm gonna use small amounts of money. Let's see what's happening. All right. All you need to do is to make the correct prediction which way the price will go. As you saw, there are two buttons, up and down, and that's it. That's it. The minimum amount of your bet can be $10, so anyone can afford it. Just literally anyone can afford it. And I want to show you the main thing. What you should do if your prediction was wrong, was incorrect, because it's happened all the time. Plus 95. All right, just scroll out a little bit to understand what's happening on the market. As you can see, the price is going up and down all the time, and this is the key to make right decisions in your trading. Okay, the price will go down and then it will go up. As you saw, I pressed the buy button. As you can see, that means that the price in this expiration timeline should be higher than the line where I've made it my prediction. Of course, it's pretty risky and you should not invest more money than you can afford to lose. I can afford some losses, but nobody likes it. Okay, great. Minus 100. That means that I should make 2.5 times bigger bet the next one. Why? Because if my next bet will be correct, if my next prediction will be right, I will get back my money that I've spent already, and I will in this point. All right, and I will get back my money and I will make a profit. So I spent $100. Now, as you can see, my expected profit is $237. That means that if right now my prediction will be correct on this line, I will get profit and I'll get back my money. So my decision, even incorrect decision, will be profitable for me. All right, the second bet, as you can see, minus 250. That means $100 into 150, $350 I've spent already. So I need to make, for example, 650. 2.5 times bigger bet than it was. As you can see, the price is going up very fast. That means that it will go down anytime soon. Of course, it's pretty risky. I know that it's risky, but you should try it yourself. And if you have $100, for example, you can start and you can try, and you will find out how the platform is working, what's happening on the platform, and how to make deal with that. All right, let's see what's happening. The third bet. That was close. That was close. As you can, that was close. Yeah. My prediction was that the price will go down, and it went down right here, as you can see. Yeah, but not in the time I predicted. All right, 650. Let's make, for example, 1 and 7. 1 and 7. Higher. This is the great situation when the price is going up and down all the time. This is the key, and as you can see, the price went to the bottom. There's not much chances that it will go up right now. That means that I've spent more money a little bit, but we'll see. Okay, minus again, new option, you see the price is near to the bottom. That means that it will go up anytime soon. 3 and 5. It will go up anytime soon. That means we should make our decisions as close as possible to this expiration timeline, because in that case we can be more specific and we can be more accurate. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. The price is going down. For now, my prediction is incorrect, but you see it's going up and down, and right now, like 12 seconds to understand what's happening right here. It's on the line, just on the line. The result is 0, but the price went up, as you can see. All right, one more bet. We're not changing right now, we're not changing the amount. We're getting it bigger. All right, okay. The movement is upgoing. Right here in this point. All right. When the price is going up, then it's gonna go down. So you should try it yourself to understand how it's working. And in that case, if you'll try it, you'll figure out how the platform is working, and you can get profit with any bet. But you should have some amount of money to trade on and to make couple deals, for example. Okay, that's great. 3,300. When you got your money back, when you made profit, you should get back to your first amount of money. Think about it, like it can be $100, it can be $10, 15, any number that you can afford. Price will go down. Okay, let's see. 30 seconds. The price is going up, and I've made a prediction that it will go down. You saw that I pressed the red button, that it will go down. We'll see in 30 seconds, 15 seconds. If the price is not going under this line, I will lose $100. But this deal is profitable. Cool. New option. And that's it. Actually, that's it, guys. If you'll try it yourself, you will handle it for sure. So be my guest. Use my link in the description of this video to get the access to this platform and to try it yourself. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye. Have a great day.